are looking forward kwamba this place contractor you'll have enough space for you to operate from. Again, with ATC, we have what we call material recovery facility, where we have gotten close to 180 million machine for separation of waste here. Hopefully, and I want to ask Waziri, when are we having the machinery? When is machine coming? For 3 months. Yeah, huyu waziri na yeye ndio mama, najua mpaka nilihakikisha kwamba ametuzwa na rais wakati wa mashujaa. She's one of shujaa wetu. Ni mama wa nguvu sana. Yeye she's a career service servant. Waziri, ili uchafu yote, kwa sababu wewe ndio unasimamia uchafu yote, na kuomba hakikisha kwamba we have finished, we have finalized on that project.
Yes, sir.
Last week I was there, checked on the contractor, niliona akiendelea kazi nzuri. I hope he's there as I'm talking, because he did promise that he's going on this week. Kwa hivyo wewe nitapita huko tena. I want to see what is going on. So, finally, allow me to say this. Mheshimiwa Ombati, I want to thank you. I sent you to Nairobi, to the Lands Commission, and you did a good job. Now, Suneka, we have the 5 acres back to the county. And I want to promise that, honorable members, Mkuyo hapa, Mheshimiwa leader majority, leader minority, we have to look for money. Those are the 2 stadiums which are just within that we can build. 5 acres in Suneka, I'm happy they went there. Amukulegarega, mlifanya kazi nzuri. Nashukuru sana, sijalipa deni yako kwa sababu ulienda na mafuta yako, nitatafuta mafuta nilipe wewe. Kwa hivyo nashukuru sana, because Mheshimiwa Mbati, they traveled with then Waziri. Waziri, thank you, because you did a good job for defending, and I'm happy that Kenya now, they are only our tenants. Tutawapea mahali tunataka. Hiyo maneno nashukuru sana. The QS and your team, I'm happy that you have assured me the BQs, they are ready for roads, not for roads, for all constructions. Engineer Mugambi, I'm told all BQs are ready, but there is one condition which the MCs they have just mentioned here. Hawa watu wanafanya kazi ambayo ni mtu analeta tu tractor, anapitisha, anamwaga mchanga, whereas the BQs explains clearly where drainage is supposed to be done, what works to be done. There is no payment. And Weshmiwa, Ketini, Weshmiwa, if a road is done poorly in your place, is not satisfactory, please report it back. We will not pay for work which is not done. Hiyo ni iko hivyo tu. Si watu wamepiga kelele mpaka wameamua wameinua mikono juu. Now I'm not going to allow any payment for work which has not been done. Kwa hivyo Mheshimiwa, kabla hujalia hapa, Mheshimiwa Paradiso, wewe kuja niambie Mheshimiwa usilipe hiyo project, I will not pay. You can be assured. Mtu yoyote akwe rafiki yangu, akwe dada yangu, ndugu yangu, hakuna biashara kama hiyo. Lazima kazi ifanyike. The BQs again, as I just directed earlier, MCs suggest they are not engineers. It's for you to give us what works must be done. If that money again is good enough. For Gembo Hospital, I want to say, because the signal is that there is a